while I am contractually bound by the laws of this restaurant to bring you the omelet, I highly suggest ordering something else.
Bring me the omelet.
Good luck.
Thanks.
No, don't.
Let him finish.
Step aside.
Why don't you make us, bro?
Alright! Keep him away from Mordecai!
Sorry, sir. Time is up. Oh no. We were only trying to help.
What?